And then low-key, I want something to fucking eat because I'm hungry. But like I said, he keeps saying something about the food truck, but we don't know if we're going or not. So, what they got an Auntie Annie? Yeah. That's kind of like one of the things I was looking forward to coming here was the food truck. The food truck, because you had ended up bringing it up. And I was looking at some videos. I'm like, okay, they got everything. Burrito tacos, nachos, street corn, everything. So, like, fuck. So, I'm in the mood for that. Y'all, I'm not even shy recording in public.